So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Grow a Garden Discord server. So first of all you need to do is open Roblox. So what you need to do is come here on Roblox homepage and search for Grow a Garden. After that, all you need to do is click right here, scroll down until you see this icon right over here, okay? Click this button and click continue. It will open your Grow a Garden server. All you need to do is accept the invite and it will open your Discord, and now you can use Grow a Garden Discord server. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab.